Hello everyone. In this video, we will be going to talk about a very special Python library called as UV. This library is basically very fast as compared to pip. So with the help of this library, you can install any Python packages within seconds. It is comparably 10 to 100 times more faster than pip. And this library is basically written in Rust programming language. Now, let us see how you can install this library. So first of all, what you have to do, let me go into my folder and open here CMD. So the first thing that you have to do, you have to create a virtual environment first of all. So let me write Python -m venv, then my virtual environment name. Let us say my virtual environment name is DS and I will click on enter. This will install Python programming language in the DS environment. Once this thing is done, what we will be going to do, we will be going to activate this environment. So for that I will write ds/scripts/activate. With the help of this command, my virtual environment will get activated. Once it will be getting activated, what we will do next, we will be going to install our UV library. So you have to write pip install UV. Now click on enter and it will install UV library into this virtual environment. After that, let us say you have to install any library here with the help of UV. So what you can do, you can write like this: UV pip install, then your library name. For example, let us say I am going to install NumPy library. So what UV will do, it will increase the downloading speed 10 to 100 times faster as compared to pip. Now let me click on enter and you can see it is installed within seconds. If you do the same thing using pip, what happens? It will take around 10 seconds or 15 seconds of your time. So this is the use case of UV library. Nowadays, data scientists are using UV library to download their large packages or large libraries within seconds of their time.